You've been with me all along, always on my side. You've never gone. You've been with me all along, and you've been holding on for so long. When others would be gone, you stayed with me all along. You've been with me when I laugh or cry.
December 31, 2015. It was the end of the year, but it was the beginning of us. I was in Tacloban and you were in Quezon City.
Actually, una nag-meet kami, siya yung pumunta dito. Nagkita kami, sinundo ko naman siya. Tapos, nag-date kami sa MOA. Noong araw yan, feeling ko ang pogi-pogi ko kasi siya pa yung lumuwas from Tacloban to Manila. Ano ba tayo? Tawag documentary.
Gusto mo ba? Oo, kailangan natin yan. Gusto mo ba? Gagawin natin.
Sobrang perfect yung personality namin with each other. Ayun, thankful din ako kay Lord kasi sa lahat-lahat ng makakatuluyan ko, siya yung ibinigay sa akin.
That's not you, that's not you.
Itong sinasabi niya na fidelity, ang katapatan ng bawat isa sa inyo ay nagiging katapatan din ninyo kay Kristo, na kung saan si Kristo mismo ay nagiging tapat sa kanyang simbahan. Tayo ang simbahan, ang kanyang katawan.
You've been with me all along, always on my side. You've never gone. You've been with me all along, and you've been holding on for so long. When others would be gone, you stayed with me all along.
Kaya ang pagiging tapat ni Kristo naway ating masundan at magiging tapat din tayo sa Kanya. Katulad ninyo na nagiging tapat sa inyong pagmamahalan. Yun po ang pinanggalingan ng inyong pagmamahal, si Kristo. Remember that Christ is love. And when we capsulize the Bible, we can get one word from it. And that is love.
Harap pa daw. Guwapo ah.
Oh, si Ate. Ganda. Initially, we doubted na baka hindi ito mag-work. But I am so glad that we decided to continue getting to know each other because here I am, almost 10 years later, and I'm about to marry the best person I've ever known, the love of my life.
Naniniwala naman ako na talagang mabait ka since from pagkabata mo. At believe ako na ang pagiging husband mo and father ay magiging maayos katulad ng iyong ama.
Sobrang grateful ako at thankful na dumating ka sa buhay ko. From the moment I wake up until I fall asleep, you always make me smile, laugh, and feel loved.
Sa mga pagkakamali mo, hindi kita husgahan. Sa mga bagay na hindi natin pagkakasunduan, pipilitin kong magpakumbaba at magparaya. At sa panahong nangihina ka, gawin mo akong sandalan para kahit papaano gumaan ang pakiramdam mo.
Every dream comes true, all because of you. I waited for a lifetime, and everything I
You were were there during my highs, and you stayed beside me and hugged me tight during the lowest of my lows. I vow to do the same for you.
Sana masaya ka ngayon. Huwag kang mag-alala, magiging maayos ang lahat. Huwag kang mag-overthink. Masaya naman ako dito, masaya ang lahat sa ating kasal. Sana mag-ingat ka palagi sa lahat ng mga ginagawa mo.
I promise to stay beside you and cheer for you as you reach for your dreams. I promise to be patient no matter what life brings us. I promise to understand not only your words, but also your quiet moments.
Kapag masaya ka, sasabayan ko ng sayaw ang bawat tawa mo. Kapag natatakot ka, ako ang magiging lakas mo at sabay nating haharapin ang bawat pagsubok.
Thank you so much for everything, and I love you. See you later.
Sa inyong pagsasama, Michael and Kate, palagi kayong naka-LRT. Huwag niyong kalimutan yan na ang pagmamahal ang siyang susi ng inyong mas lalo pang pahigpitin yung pagsasama ninyo.
Lagi mong tatandaan, lagi kong pipiliin kung saan ka laging magiging masaya. Sa bawat umagang darating, pipiliin kitang maging kabiyak ng buhay ko. Sa bawat gabing lilipas, ipagpapasalamat kong ikaw ang katabi ko. At sa bawat buhay na maaaring ibigay ng tadhana, ipapalarin man akong pumili muli. Ikaw at ikaw pa rin ang pipiliin ko. Ito ang aking sumpa at pangako. Mahal ko ngayon at magpakailanman.
You're bringing heaven down to earth. A symphony in every word. You're bringing heaven down to earth.
I've stumbled and made countless mistakes in my life, but choosing you, loving you, and marrying you will always be the best decision I've ever made. I love you more than words can ever say, forever and always. Iyak na.
And officially, you may now kiss your wife.